today, and it looks like people aren't social distancing. This park's supposed to be closed. I just saw the amount of people that's in here. I said, shoot, I'm coming in. This is the park I normally come to. You see, there's one car right there. They must have hopped the curb. They had to. I don't know how they got in here, but that's pretty bold. Because you see that gate over there? That gate is blocked off. Man, I parked on the street down there. And as you can see, there's kids playing yonder on the basketball courts. There's kids swinging on the swings. And there's some fellas playing a game of chess. Outstanding. Surprised nobody's barbecuing. It is a nice day though. But I went on ahead and created a Facebook group page. And I have a few members. I sent out invites. I didn't send out many. I only sent out for those who I want to be a part of it first. And then those others who would like to join, they will have to find their own way or get invited, I guess, I imagine. Like I said, I'm still playing around with this Facebook stuff and I don't know much. It took me just about 6 hours to figure out how to download a cover photo for my Facebook group. Till I realized that I couldn't do it by phone, and I just broke out my laptop and then I was able to do it with no problem. I'm sure what I chose will change eventually. Like I said, I just kind of winged this and threw it together. But I'm going to be working on it the rest of the day to upload info. But what's going to be on there is tips and tricks, prototypes, reviews, mods never seen before, tools, latest releases from Wagtail, and some other stuff. But also, to members only, you will be allowed to purchase my mods that will be available to a selected few. I just said selected. I didn't say to everyone. This is just for now. This may change. So it might be a first come, first served basis, or based on who has the most interaction with the group in general, who has something to bring to the table, or somebody who really wants it. Now, I don't expect this group to be popular, and nor do I even care if it is. I'd rather have quality group members than having 3, 4, 5, 10,000, members. So I imagine it's not going to be as popular as my YouTube channel, if you want to call it that, because my YouTube channel it ain't going nowhere, trust me. And I don't really care about none of that. All I care about is putting out knowledge and helping those, who need help. They can come to my channel and find it. Hey, that's what it's all about. Gaining information and knowledge. It ain't about who has more subs or who has more views. I don't care nothing about none of that. I mean, of course, we all do. We want our information to be out there and we want it to grow. But that's not my primary focus. When you just be yourself and be natural, you'd be surprised you'd be surprised who comes that has value. Of course, there's some nonsense that I have to wean out every now and again, but I just block those people. I don't need no negativity to the group or my channel. And furthermore, they could bring that somewhere else. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm going to try and figure out how to put the link in the description. I think I know how to do it. If it's anything like I've been doing already, I'm not sure. But there's going to be another moderator that I'll be appointing. He the one that suggested that I create a Facebook group, and he wants to be a part of it. So when Jarvis Davis decides to join, I send the invite. We'll make him a moderator. Maybe a couple other people, but I don't know yet. but we'll see what happens. Like I said, this is going to be a learning experience for me nonetheless. But needless to say, most likely you will not see any more interesting stuff on Facebook unless you're in my group. You'll see stuff that I won't be posting anywhere else. But alright, this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.